Defy doubts. Embrace victory. In a world where critics chant you cannot succeed, a rallying cry emerges. Mr. Mufareh leads us. Unwavering, determined to turn disbelief into determination, doubters. Once convinced we were crazy, now face the unstoppable force of unity. We rise to reclaim our honor and prove that every setback is a setup for a remarkable comeback. Every challenge fuels our fire. Every negative word strengthens our resolve. With bold vision and an unbreakable spirit, we challenge the status quo. Family skepticism and naysayers fade into whispers behind our booming success. Each trial tests us, but also forges the bond of collective strength. Mr. Mufareh's leadership reminds us that leadership is nothing about you. It's mostly about others, inspiring us to unite and move forward as one. As the journey unfolds, our hearts race with anticipation, and the darkest hours give way to brilliant new beginnings, embracing innovation and relentless self-improvement. We shattered the chains of doubt, the struggle's real, but our triumph even more so. We champion a winning attitude where every setback becomes a stepping stone toward victory. Stand firm in your journey, for each step forward boldly echoes your inner power. Our unstoppable drive transforms trials into triumphs, and every heartbeat fuels the revolution. Together, we cross the finish line, not as isolated warriors, but as a unified force. Our movement is a testament to the power of collective victory over individual defeat. It is not just a win, it is a revolution. Join us now and transform your doubts into triumph. Unite pasiva, succeed. Embrace leadership, ignite change. Imagine a world without financial worry. Today, many of us are burdened by rising bills and endless expenses. This stress dims our spirits and weakens our hope. We feel trapped by responsibilities and uncertain futures. Every transaction is a reminder of financial struggle, yet hidden within these challenges lies the spark of transformation. Imagine stepping into a future where those worries melt away. Picture bills settling automatically and life shifting into abundance. Visualize the radiant smiles of families freed from debt. Picture doctors providing top care without cost concerns. It is a time when every individual can pursue passions without fear, and every community thrives in health and unity. At the forefront of this change stands visionary leader, Mr. Mufareh. His never-give-up attitude has inspired a revolution in financial thinking and corporate responsibility. Under his guidance, the New Direction Company is crafting solutions to lift burdens and ignite dreams. Their innovative strategies unravel obstacles and create pathways to prosperity. Each achievement builds the snowball of success, rolling ever larger and energizing others along its course. The power of financial freedom is undeniable. Stress and anxiety give way to optimism and health. Individuals embrace opportunities to learn, grow, and invest in their futures. Families gather in joyful unity, unshackled from constant worry. Communities experience elevated well-being as every need is met with care and innovation. Challenges become stepping stones to lasting happiness and fulfillment. Now is the moment to embrace change and celebrate progress. Our journey from hardship to abundance inspires every step we take. With each settled bill and improved health outcome, we forge a path toward a brighter tomorrow. Together, our collective strength and vision pave the way for transformative success. A future of stability, joy, and opportunity is ours to create. Let your spirit rise and trust the promise of tomorrow. This is the revolution of financial liberation. A future where joy, health, and hope reign supreme. Join us in seizing the boundless opportunities that await and experience the freedom that transforms lives each day. Our dreams grow through innovation and shared triumph. Financial burdens vanish, replaced by hope, courage, and unity. Communities rise as leaders empower individuals to prosper. We celebrate every small victory that fuels our journey together. We welcome an era of abundance where success flows and hearts beat with renewed confidence. Embrace this future and let pure possibility guide you now.